In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to obtain Gojo in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about all the ways in which you will be able to get Gojo. So Gojo is known as the strongest on Heroes Battlegrounds. You will actually be able to play as him, and there are two main ways to do this. So first, if you are on a private server, you can click on this option here, the strongest, and you will get this prompt. So if you purchase private server commands or private server plus, you will be able to play as Gojo as long as you want on a private server. So this is going to be the most straightforward way. Now, the other way, if you really want to play him on public servers, is going to be by talking to a very specific NPC. So if you look towards the wall here at the left side of this HUD where you get the daily quest, so find the daily quest NPC and go to the left, and you will see this NPC over here at the wall. By interacting with this NPC, you have an extremely low chance of getting the strongest. And this character will actually give you Gojo or the strongest, and you will be able to play him on public servers as well, without private server plus. So just talk to him, select I am, and you will try to see if you are able to get him. Keep in mind that the chance is extremely low, so it's super hard, but you can just keep trying this daily until you get him. Gojo is incredibly OP, and like I mentioned, you either buy private server commands to play him here, or you talk to this NPC to see if you are able to become Gojo or the strongest for 24 hours. This Gojo here that you become for 24 hours will actually give you the option to play him on public servers. But right now, if you just want to play him right away, you will only be able to do it on a private server if you own Private Servers Plus. I hope I was able to help you on how to obtain Gojo in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.